had trouble sleeping, so I stay up late at night in a room lit by the TV light.
The last few years, there were no friends or family coming over. So today, it almost seems like I've forgotten how to host people at home. We've been meeting friends but mostly outside. However, I feel there's no match to inviting them home. We had invited some friends this day, but I was not sure if I'd be able to do it after such a long gap. Although, slowly as the day progressed, I got a hang of it. I guess we don't have to be great at first. Instead, get better gradually. I have decided to quickly clean up the table and dust some of the basic things in the home that are prone to collecting dust. I believe it's best to start with a clean slate.
But the thought of you is keeping me awake. I don't know what it is, but it's been like this ever since we kissed. I don't know what to do, 'cause I long for you every single night. I don't know what it is.
Hosting people over was pretty common for my parents, so I picked up a few tricks as I grew. I guess things we learn in our growing years also defines how we think today. For me, cleaning the home and setting up a few things for guests has never been a task, but more of a fun thing to do. Mum would usually write down the entire plan for the day, especially the dishes she would want to prepare. Starting this year, I have also decided to plan ahead. I'm going to begin with the basics. Keeping drinking water handy since the season is such. Running to fetch water at the last minute is not something I'd want to do. The next thing that I like to do is set up the table in advance. Simple things like keeping the plates handy or the glasses sorted. It's a good idea to wipe the glasses and keep. The most delightful time spent with friends is the one where you can be around them to talk and share memories. My grandpa used to say, "People come to your home not to eat but to spend time with you, and you should respect their time equally, for they have spared precious moments of their day and time." Food is definitely an essential part of the entire get-together, there's no denying. But it is important to be present with those who have come home. There are a few things left to do that I will arrange for later. For now, I am making some custard for a dessert that I will assemble in some time. I'd planned for the entire menu to be fresh and colorful. On a hot summery day, I decided to make fruits as the star of the show. Everything is going to be light on the stomach and fresh for the heart. Dessert needs to be cooled in the fridge, so assembling it was the next step to give it some time.
Can you imagine us two out in the woods in a big old house? We'd pass our days on clouds floating around. Oh, since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Oh, I can take it all. Wish me good luck, give me the courage to ask for more. Oh, there must be gold on those lips.
One big concern for any such occasion in my mind is time management. I remember watching shows like MasterChef and always noticing how managing time was the key to their win. Mom always told me, start with the dessert, and so I did.
Oh, there must be gold on those lips and honey on those fingertips.
Since we had fruits on the menu, nothing could be prepped too much in advance. After keeping the dessert in the fridge to set, I moved on to making mango salsa to go with some tortilla chips. This is a no-fuss, easy recipe that hardly takes 5 minutes to assemble. I find this one to be filling and at the same time really fresh. Next, I am moving on to making a simple orange feta salad that is another super easy yet delicious one. This dish is from my recipe diary. I wrote this down some time back after having tried it at a German friend's place. I took the recipe from him and I knew immediately that it was going to get a place in my diary. I wonder how many of us maintain such a diary today. Does it feel too old school? Or do you think it's a treasure worth holding on to?
And here's a hand my trusty friend, and here's a hand of mine. We'll talk a cup.
I'm also making a refreshing drink today, using ice cubes that have watermelon and mint in it. I made these in a video some time ago, so I don't need to add mint separately now.
We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for all the sun.
Every time I looked at the charcuterie board, I was tempted to pick an olive or a slice of cheese. But no, I waited like a nice girl. It was time to bring everything to the table. My chips that were in the oven were also now ready.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne.
3 things you can do at the last minute when anyone is coming home are: first, to place a hand sanitizer at maybe the entrance or in the washroom. Second, to open the windows a little for freshness. And last but not the least, to play some nice music in the background to set the mood right. I really enjoyed the process of arranging my home for special ones. Did you enjoy along with me? Let me know in the comments.